welcome to my channel. If you see me red because it's fucking hot outside, I've been working outside. So the other day I was backing out of my garage and look, I hit that right there and my bumper fell off. So I'm starting the quick latch and I just want to show you real quick how we're doing it. I'm gonna show you a picture of the item that I bought to fix it. So literally all my clippers broke, so this is how you gotta do it. So you gotta take out, there's something here, I'm gonna show you right now. This is right here, like this. This is like this here, there. You gotta take out these two bolts that you see right there in the middle. Then there's gonna be a bolt right over here. I don't know if you can see it, like right over there. It's gonna be a bolt. So you just take out that bolt, and then you're gonna have the opening right there. That one. And I'm gonna show you like now, but just I'm gonna cut and then I'm gonna buy. I need to buy something. I'll be right back and I show you how to do it though. So because you gotta make it like you gotta drill the bumper. So I'm gonna get it. So hello guys, how's it going? So basically I already installed the quick latch. The only thing is that we ran into a little bit of a problem because the first one was pretty easy. The first one was around the spot, right where you want it. But then the second one, we were doing it too fast, and then we didn't measure it right, and then we went like a little bit off. So we just had to fix it, and then I forgot to like record all that since we were having trouble. Basically, I'm just gonna give you some tips. It's pretty simple. You're gonna need one of this for sure. You're gonna need one of this. I don't know if you can see it. You're gonna need one of those. So you can do it. I recommend you put it like some tape where exactly where you want to drill. Like you're gonna put some tape around it so you don't mess up the paint of the bumper. So it's not necessarily, but you know you gotta go like slow and keep measuring until like right on the spot. So there's like no, so the quick latch, I guess, it is not moving. Because if you make it too big, and it's just gonna be start like playing in the circle. So it's not, it needs to be like right on the spot, and then you have the little thing on the back, so you can just fix it. Anyways, if it's like if you have like a little play in there. So it's pretty simple. It's like really taking all this off, this and that is about an hour because you want to like make it like you're gonna make it like it looks right. You gotta move it, you gotta tighten up the bolts, you gotta move everything, you gotta make it slow. So it's like an hour, like an hour of work. It's pretty simple. It's like, so I just wanted to make it, but just be careful, measure it right, because that's what happened to us. The first one we measured it right, it was right on the spot, and then the second one we just like we were doing it too fast, and then we messed up, and then we have to make the hole a little bigger. We gotta play with the bolts so it could be like right on the spot, but the fitment was great. So let's in other videos, if something happening is not working properly, I'm sure to mention it, but other reviews says that it's pretty good. Everybody on the everybody on the Facebook page of the S550, that one that I am in, everybody said that that's what they recommend, and it's like fuck, and it's perfect. So if anything, if there's any problem with it, I'll let you know. So it's gonna be the end of the video. I'm sorry I didn't record like how to actually do it, but we ran into a little problem. I'm new at this. I'm not used to like record this and that. But yeah, make sure to subscribe and leave a comment and leave a like. Shortly, I'm gonna be doing a video of me putting the test pipe in my car to see how it sounds, the sound clip before and after and all that.